This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Here are the 5 places I look for missing mail in the new Yahoo Mail for desktop browsers. It's not a guarantee you'll find it, but these are the 5 places I usually start looking. So the first place I look for missing mail in Yahoo Mail is just the inbox. And all you need to do is start scrolling down and seeing if the message that you're looking for happens to be there. If you don't see it there, the next place you might look is the drafts folder. That should be in the left side of the Yahoo Mail navigation. So click drafts, and it will show you in reverse chronological order maybe the mails that you've started typing. Maybe it's a response to somebody else, and so the newer ones will be at the top of this particular folder. If you don't see it there, the third place I would look is the trash folder. Maybe the mail was inadvertently deleted or something else happened to it. It ended up in trash. For instance, if you have a filter, it might have automatically put it in there for some reason. So you can start scrolling through there and looking to see if the missing mail is in the trash. And then finally, or actually not finally, place number 4 that I look for missing mail is spam, because sometimes legitimate mail gets sent to the spam folder. So I can see most of this stuff is spam, but actually this one right here, Mozilla VPN payment received, that's a real piece of mail. It's being sent to spam for some reason. And then finally, if all else fails and I still can't find this missing piece of email in Yahoo Mail, just go to the search, make sure that you deselect any folders there, and just start using words that you think might be in the message that you typed, or the sender might have used it, and maybe you'll be able to find that in the message that way using just a search at the top of Yahoo Mail. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.